Hi, I'm Marta, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a small haul, and I thought I'd open up with you. More of a mail haul. I bought a book on eBay for making doll clothes, and I got it because Deb's Doll Room had shown it. She got it from well, as a gift actually, from a doll show she had recently gone to. And in her comments, everybody was going on about what a great book it is. So I thought, maybe I'll get one and see if they have something in it for a Chubby Blythe. Well, I bought one, and Darren said he got a good deal on one. Email came through because we're on the same account. And bought another one. Well, this box is quite a bit smaller, and it's marked magazines. So I am hoping this is not the wrong order. No, looks like it. Looks like it, only different. This one is actually perfect. This one is paperback. What did you pay, Darren? Like $5?
Mm-hmm.
He paid $5 flat, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Included shipping to get this book. If you sew for your dolls and you have different size dolls, this is supposed to be a good pattern book. And the reason we bought another copy of this book is I'm going to cut one, I think. And because this would be too hard to put up in the window. I'm going to see if I can draw around it, of course, but I'm not sure I can. And if not, I still have it. So I'm hoping to find something for my little Chubby Blythe in here. She is not easy to sew for. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Did I cut something? Oh, I have to be so careful, and I never am. I am a ram when it comes to stuff. Oh yeah, I got some more dragon charms that I bought for Renaissance Fair, so that Darren Orion and I had matching necklaces because we were going to the Dragon Fest, and I really liked them, and I put one in on my boy Blythe Roberts pull string. So I bought more of those because I really like them, and you know what happens? If you don't buy them when you see them, you will never see them again because they quit making things. And then I think this is charms too, but I'm not positive. Oh, this could be eye chips, actually. I think that said it was going to be delivered. That's about as careful as I get. Snip, snip. Yes, eye chips. Oh, yes, eye chips. I needed a softer eye. I'm looking for the edge of this to open it. I might have to cut it. I like these bags, these resealable bags, but they're really not too useful after 2 openings. A lot of times they split anyway. Where the heck is the... I put them in a Ziploc. I buy those little craft Ziplocs and I replace them. Oh, these are already in it. Okay. So now you can see I got the blue. I like to put my... if one of my Blythes is going to be blue-eyed, I put 3 sets of the same in forward, right, left, and then I put a different blue or whatever color in the other forward. This time I'm going to do something a little different, but aren't these nice? When you buy, oh, those do not feel super flat. When you buy eye chips from AliExpress, and I do all the time, just make sure it says super thin, because some are Conchibans and they're too tall, your doll's eyes won't close. I've had it happen, and I know other YouTubers that have bought eye chips and they're beautiful. Of course, the best ones are made like that, and you can't use them. There's no way to file them down. They're glass. So they're just no good. All right, one more package. This is a package, kind of got banged up. This doll really took a fast track. I mean, fast track. I have I've ordered a bunch of dolls, as always, but they have purpose. Sometimes the purpose is I really like them and I want them. 3 dolls really took a fast track. I have dolls that I ordered before the blondes that just came in, the shorter hair blondes, still not here, still not out of customs. But I ordered this doll because I like a mannequin when I'm sewing, and I like her to have short hair, and I like her to have hair. Set that right. You know what? I'm going to set that here where I can see it well. I like them to have short hair because I like a head on my mannequin because it does change the appeal of the item that you're making. And so I used my little mannequin last year, my little mini mannequin, to become Cindy Lou Who. Yes, she was perfect for that. So I ordered another one. God, these are so cute. And Darren and I take the miniatures or the petite open and close their eyes. They're called sleepy eyes. When they stand up, their eyes are open. When you lay them down, they have weights in the eyelids and they shut their eyes. Darren and I have come up with a way to drill holes in the back of the head. I say and I, it's actually Darren. And make 2 pull strings. And you have to pull them gently, and all it does is open and close the eyes. It doesn't change the eye color or anything, but it's just cute. And then we put beads on it. Anyway, I needed a new mannequin. I have got to get to sewing, and I have other dolls that I use, but the long hair really gets in the way. Look at this spaghetti. This is what Beth Ramsden calls spaghetti arms. Look how tiny that is. Look how itty bitty these bodies are. I mean, watch this. You can see my finger on either side of that doll. Here, look at that. You can see my nail on either side of that doll. They're just itty bitty. You can see my finger. You can see my finger on the side of the thighs. That's how tiny these dolls are. I love them. If you buy one of these dolls and you get this little dress with it, use that as a pattern on tiny print and just cut that out and add a closure in the back and you have another dress. They're really cute. Darren makes little shoes for them too. I love these little dolls. I love Blythe dolls. I love the boy Blythe dolls, the chubby Blythe dolls, all of them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.